In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can buy, sell, or convert crypto on Coinbase. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, a quick little disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. But to buy, sell, or convert crypto on Coinbase, you first need to make sure that you're signed in, verified, and have your payment method added. We have full videos breaking those down, so I recommend checking those out first. But once you are ready, simply hit buy and sell down in the very bottom, and you're going to see an option that looks like this. Up at the top of the pop-ups, you're going to see buy, sell, and convert. You're also going to see trade with leverage as well, but that's going to be a topic for a separate video, so stay tuned for that. For buying crypto though, go ahead and choose buy just like so. And then you want to find, whatever it is that you're trying to trade. So scroll down on here, find crypto, say it's Bitcoin, right? For example, you could go ahead and select that. And then you could go ahead and enter in the amount of how much you want to buy and how much you want to spend in your local currency. So say I want to spend 250 USD, I could go ahead and do that, hit review order, and then hit buy now. And as you can see, I'll receive, that specific amount of Bitcoin. Always make sure that you are using the correct payment method. Here it'll say pay with and then whatever payment method you might have on there. So just keep that in mind. But the exact same thing works for like selling, for example, right? You could back out and then hit buy and sell, hit sell, find one of your assets that you want to go ahead and trade, like XRP, for example. And then of course you could go through, change how much you want to get out and say what you want to convert it to, like cash, for example, right? Same thing works with converting. Once again, back out, go to convert instead, and then you can convert one crypto to a different crypto as you please. But that is the entire process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.